Hey everyone, this is Ron with Keller Williams Northeast Realty with the Ron and Jill Group here in sunny Phoenix, Arizona. I'm a 20-year military vet turned real estate agent now serving the greater Phoenix area. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell for notifications. I plan on pushing hard and posting multiple KW Command how-to videos every week. Now, let's get to the show. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and get started with today's training. It is going to be on adding a custom tag into one of your contacts within KW Command. Now, there are two ways to do this, and I'm going to go over both of them. And the ways that I found out, of course, on the first one, it pretty much works with me. Now, you'll go into your contact, say you got Joe Scruffy right here, click on Edit. Then you'll just scroll down here to tags. Now, let's just say that I wanted to put a tag on here for Texas because Joe Scruffy came from Texas. And I'm looking down through my tags. I don't have one that's Texas. So I'll just right here enter in Texas. Create custom tag. It'll give me the option to assign it a color. We'll just go with that one right there. Add. Boom, there it is. You now have a custom tag, and you can do this on the fly, especially if you're having a lot of contacts that you're going through and you need to do something on the fly like that. That is one way to do it. So come over here, click Save. And you'll see right up in here that he has the tag of Texas. Now, the other way to do it is come in here to your command settings, come to your profile, click on settings, come over here to command settings, come to contacts, and you'll see custom tags. And right here, you'll see all the tags that are currently in the system. And you see the one we just did right here for Texas. So if there's a tag that you do not see and you want to add in another tag, just come right up here to create new tag. And you could go ahead and do it right from here as well. So there's two ways to add in a customized tag to go ahead and keep your database organized and give you the views that you need for when you're pulling up information for specific people. All right, everybody. Hope you found this information useful. Please hit that subscribe button down below. I created a new Facebook group called KW Command Kickstart. I got a link for that in the bio down in the description down below, and love to see you there. We'll talk to you soon.